Okay, Shreni, close your eyes. I have got a surprise for you. Alright, listen to me.
Yes.
We will be playing scavenger hunt. So there will be clues, riddles, and more fun. Try to solve clues, and you will get a gift with solving each clue. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, so open your eyes. I am going to give you your first clue. And here you go. If you cannot read a word, I can help you. Come here.
I help.
Okay, let me read it for you. I will keep your books safe in my pack. Zip me up before slinging me on your back. What is it? What is it?
क्या कर रहे हो? मैं कह रहा हूँ ना।
This bag.
Come, take it out, take it out. Take it and come out. Shrey. Shrey. Shrey.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
First clue. Camera.
Get your clue also. Get your clue.
Clue.
Paper will be.
Leave there right now.
Okay, come. Come with your gift. Come with your gift also.
Okay.
Close the door. Manu,
Yes.
come here. You can keep your gift here. Okay, read it.
There.
Okay, let me help you. Wait, you have not got your specs. This gift is by a knob and a lock. Where Papa comes, you hear knock knock. Where does Papa do knock knock when he comes from office?
Yes. It's a door.
Sorry?
It's a door.
Which door? Which door does Papa do knock knock?
That.
You found it. Great.
Clue.
So let's read your next clue.
Mommy, this is my first clue.
Read it loud, beta. Okay, let me help you. Wait. For breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or if it's snack time or a treat, this is where you go to sit when it's time for you to eat. Where do you sit when you eat? Don't help him. Don't help him. You
Okay.
found your gift. And where's the clue?
Glue. That. Thank you, my sister.
Okay.
I give two.
Okay. Let me help you, baby.
Okay.
I have how helpful to me in the kitchen you have been to always clear out where the dishes go in dirty and comes out clean. Where do dishes go? Oh, you again found it. Nice.
You will get mad.
Got so many gifts.
Oh.
That's fine. Leave it and read the clue.
Him. B-O-L.
Give me. Let me help you. If bold, told, hold, and fold rhymes with gold, where do you think we put our milk and juice to keep them? What will be the rhyming word? Wait. What will be the rhyming word with bold, told, hold, fold, gold? where we put our milk and juice to keep them? Huh?
Cold.
What is the rhyming word? Where do we put our milk and juice to keep them?
Cold.
Cold, right? You got it.
Yeah. I want first. Glue. Yay. My favorite car.
Okay, check out the clue. This is, you got to solve it. Go grab a pencil. Go grab a pencil. Sit down here. Take a pencil. And what you have to do is, these are the numbers. You see, there are alphabets with the numbers, right?
Right.
You have to see the number and write down the alphabet with this number. Like if it's 15, which alphabet is with 15? M. You have to write down M. Solve it.
Okay. 11. I.
Good.
Good. Okay. 21. C. Yes.
Next.
4. R.
Okay.
Yes, I'm correct.
What's next?
17. O. 9. W. Okay, 19. 19.
You don't have to
Hey!
help him, baby. Don't help him.
Yes. No, help.
Okay, what's the next number? What's the next alphabet, beta?
8. V. Last question. 23 is T. Correct.
Okay, you have solved it. Now read the letter. Sorry, read the word. Here is where your next clue is. Read it.
MICRODWAVE. Microwave.
Sorry, what?
Microwave.
You got it. Go find your next clue and your gift also. You got it. What's your next clue? Come.
Next clue.
Read the clue, then you will find your next gift.
Okay. The blue.
When I tuck you into sleep and turn off the lights, you rest your head on this as I wish you good night. Do you sleep in this room? Do you?
Yes.
Hmm?
No. Yay!
You got your gift. And your next clue.
Okay, I go.
Come fast.
I got my car.
Okay, you got to solve this one also. Okay. See, what does it say? It says, what is the beginning sound of the picture? You have to write the beginning sound of the picture. Then read the whole word to know where your clue is. Write it down. What's the first word of this picture?
Cat. Cat.
Write it down, beta. What's next?
O.
Good.
U. C. Hat. H.
Now read the word.
C. O. U. C. H.
What is wait. What is it?
Couch.
Couch. Okay.
I found my first clue.
It's not your first one.
Oh no, sorry.
So read it. What does the paper say? Put it down. It will fall. It's okay.
Big.
Read. What's it written?
O-N.
Congratulations! You have completed your scavenger hunt. Very nice, bacha. You have completed your scavenger hunt and see how many gifts you got. Are you happy?
2, 3, 4. Yes, super.
Are you happy?
Super.
Did you find it interesting to solve the clues?
Yes.
Was it interesting?
Yes, interesting.
Give me a high five. Okay. Bye.
Bye.